Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, Androscoggin, interior Cumberland, interior York, Kennebec, and southern Somerset. What? Heavy snow expected, changing to rain by midday Monday. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches expected. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Southern Somerset, interior York, central interior Cumberland, Androscoggin, and Kennebec counties. When? From 1 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details. Heavy snowfall rates are anticipated, with rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour expected at times. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For a more precise forecast for your specific location, go to www.weather.governor/gray.